Good morning, everybody. So today we are going to be interviewing one of the priests here in Bacolod City. So andito kami ngayon sa may seminary, no? Dito nagtutulog ang mga brothers, ang mga seminarista. So halika at samahan mo kami sa amin yung paglakbay. Halika sa So, good morning guys, and today we are with our brother.
I am Seminarian Alvin James Calderon, third year AV Philosophy at the Sacred Heart Seminary, Bacolod.
Okay, so today we are going to have our interview with him and brother. So for our first question, ano ang nag-inspire sa imo to become a priest?
First and foremost, I pursued this kind of vocations, particularly the vocation to the priesthood, because primarily I want to serve the common priesthood, which is the lay faithful. And labaw na hindi lang ang common priesthood kundi ang Diyos mismo. Kaya pati kung ang akong kabuhi hindi lang para sa akong pamilya, para sa akong tugulingon, para sa iban, kundi kapati kung my life belongs to God. And that is the foundation why I choose this kind of vocation among others.
Okay. So for our second question, sir, are there challenges in the life of a priest that you face in your journey to priesthood?
I am certain that human as I am also experiencing difficulties in my life, most especially with my family problems, financial burden, and also my doubts, not only with kung paano ko mangin pares ulihin, mangin mayo, bala kundi sa akong kapasidad nga magpabilin sa sining nga bukasyon, sa sining nga formasyon sa seminaryo. Kay kapati ko nga ang dalan nga hapos, no, wala naghatag sang pagtubo sa isa ka tawo, kundi ang tawo nagatubo sa butang diin siya nakakita sa kabudlayan.
For our third question, sir, how do you stay strong in your faith during difficult times?
There's this story I have read in the book entitled The Little Prince. There is this scene nga ang fox and Little Prince, they met for a certain place and for a certain time because of the purpose of building their relationship. Now, this story, no, gingamit yun as analogy sa akong kabuhi sa seminaryo kay tungod nga I build my relationship with God by participating in the Holy Eucharist with certain place, the church, with certain time, the Mass. And para sa akon, kapati kung muna siya ang pundasyon, kung nagapabilin ko sa akon yung pagtuo, nga magsimba ko pirme, kag ihatag ko ang bugos kung kagulingon sa Ginoo, paagi sa pagsimba kag pagkaon sa sinangalawa si Kristo.
And for our last question, sir, what advice can you give to young people who want to serve God?
In our catechism of the Catholic Church, the very purpose of a person is to know, love, and serve God. And my advice to the young people, especially nga we are living in this world nga masyado na gid ka modernized, and there is a rampant of ideologies nga they try to distort the reality by their own ideologies. What advice can I will going to give them is that seek truth, search for what is good, and live what you are preaching. Because para sa akong kapati, kung ano ang imo nga ginatudlo, nagapakita man na dapat sa imong kagalingon,
Amo ka man na dapat.
amo ka man na dapat. Kag kung amo ka man na dapat, kabalo ka mangita sa kamatuoran. Kay kung kabalo ka mangita sa kamatuoran, hindi mo ma-distort ang reality nga ara sa imo. Kay sungod nga subong sa pangabuhi kita sa kalibutan nga amo na siya daw nagka-distort ang reality kay tungod nga most of the people are trying to bend that kind of reality just to align with their own ideologies. So find truth, search what is good, and act with what you are preaching.
So sir, salamat gid sa pag isa sa mga interview namon sa Bungyadlaw kag kami na nang blessed gid na grabe ang amon niya blessing sa Bungyaga. And guys, so salamat gid, and this is the final kami ang bas gid. Bye. So there we have it, guys, and we have completed our interview with our brother Aljun of the Sacred Heart Seminary. Thank you.